So here is an in-depth tour of my setup. This is my last setup tour video of this year, my dream setup tour. So let's go. So let's start with my desk. So this desk I made with my carpenter, custom made, and it's floating desk. As you can see the three spots, it's a floating desk. And now let's talk about my keyboard and mouse. The keyboard I'm using currently is Aula F75 Pro and the mouse is Kreo Aula. And next talk about my this showcasing, like anything like you can talk about. Here I have some action figure of Cuckoo, fourth from monkey, and some fake IKEA plants here, and here's the middle and Pikachu and yellow cat, and there is Vegito and another IKEA plant and Lord Buddha, and I have 4 IKEA fake plants here over my PC. Now let's talk about monitors. Though I have 2 monitors set up currently, and the first one is ViewSonic and the second one is GIGABYTE, and I have some AirPods of by Realme, and this phone is my OnePlus phone which I usually use. Now let's talk about my PC. So I have some pretty good specs in my PC, as you can see. So starting with my motherboard, it's from GIGABYTE Taurus. Now the CPU cooler, it's from Corsair 360 LCD, 360 ICO link LCD, the big one. And the RAM I have G-Skill Trident Z5 Royal RGB, and the streamer cable, it's from Lee. And the graphic card is MSI Gaming Trio C5080, and the fans I have, it's of Lee this, and the case fan included Deep Cool. The case is of Deep Cool. And lastly I listen with my headphones. These are the HyperX headphones. I use its mic only. So this is the setup tour, guys, of final of my this year. So wishing you all Happy New Year, guys. First of all, Happy New Year. It's 1 January 2020, 12 AM. So Happy New Year, guys. I'm going to end with this video. So bye. Happy New Year. 1 second.